Hi guys, good morning, a new day, a new start. Today we are heading to Kodai from Trichy. Don't mind him, I don't know. You're Gen Alpha, you know you're a generation ahead of
Alpha.
I'm Gen Z. How don't mind our arguments, it's very stupid. So we have checked out our hotel in Trichy around 9 o'clock and the time is 10:40 right now. We had a breakfast, we are heading back, not back, we are heading to Kodai for the fourth time for me. So these two cars are gonna take us and my father and Kanchan uncle are going to drive these two. And everyone is busy having their breakfast actually. So I eat pongal. No, pongal is good. I prefer pongal more than idli and dosa. I don't know why, but yes. But the pongal was not good as it should be. It's okay. See, now they're all taking pictures. We are just at the moment. This is our Bacha Party gang. Bacha Party gang. And yeah, so let's see what happens to this day. And also from Bangalore, my father's friends are going to come. Not my father, my parents' friends. So uncle and auntie are going to come to make this experience more memorable. And yeah, my main thing is that today we are going to travel, right? This highway, we're going to travel in this highway. I've traveled in many highways, but I don't know why. Today I feel this highway is good. It is giving me positive vibes. Like I've been in this highway several times, but I'm noticing it today. I don't know why, but let's see. So I just, we were having the perfect ambience, and we are going to have the perfect ambience too. Inside the car, surrounded with your loved ones, beautiful music at loudspeaker, and this beautiful road without any traffic, and speed at above 100 and all. Let's see what this day holds for me. I'm looking forward to make it more memorable and the best day also. See you guys. I'm in the car, so you can see like how much we have dumped ourselves into this car. So, in the front seat, my father is driving, my mother is sitting. Over here in this place for 3 seats, we have 4 people. Priyanka, Auntie, Amrit, Purvi is sleeping, and back there, Rup uncle and Rohit uncle, and behind that the luggage, the main character which is causing all the trouble. So the road is awesome. It is great, smooth like butter, and yeah, this song is also giving us the vibe. And I just don't want this road to end, but I also want this road to end, so that I can reach the destination. As you know, journeys are more interesting than the destination. So let's see what the destination holds. But for now, let's just enjoy the journey. So let's see where we take a new break, where we meet up, where we click more pictures. Let's see. I'll make a vlog there also. We are like 85 kilometers away from our destination. And we drank coconut water here, and we had that thing, coconut inside it. What is it? Malai. I don't know what it is called in English, but it was so delicious, so sweet. It was just great. We had for 50 rupees, and we just crossed the toll. This toll, free toll, not free. The toll is not started, and we are enjoying a lot. All are gossiping about the coconut water. It's like 50 rupees. It took 50 rupees. Not bad. The taste is amazing. And till now, the journey was so far amazing. And there was one spot where our car got stuck. In shortcut. We were trying to get the shortcut. So because of that, our car got stuck, and because the car got stuck, because of the shortcut which we were about to take, the shortcut got failed. So basically, we had to take the long way. And somewhere I was happy that yes, this drive is going to be longer with 2-3 minutes more. But at the same time, I also had this bad side that no, I will miss the time spent in the resort also. but yet it was perfect. Everything is perfect till now, and I'm hoping for the whole day to be perfect. So see you in the destination maybe, or in the next spot where we meet. So after a huge journey, after a very long journey in the Ghat roads, we have finally reached Kodaikanal, but not our resort yet. And as this waterfall is a very famous one, you all must know, but for the ones who don't know, this waterfall falls just near the entry of Kodaikanal. This place is awe-striking. It's so pretty, so cool, and I remember feeling hot when I was down the ghats, and now I'm feeling that I need 2 sweaters to cover me up to make me feel cozy. We have parked our car and we are heading towards the waterfall, and there are lots of stores. You can see here. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of options. And the best part is that the waterfall now, it is very broad and long, and you can take its experience from a very close view. So I love this thing about this. She was sleeping the whole time. Now she woke up. So how do you think? How cold is this place could be? How cold?
Good enough for me to sleep.
She's a sleepy cat. Okay. And let's see next. Okay, guys. It's 3:45, and a very unfortunate incident has happened. So
Very unique experience.
very unique experience. We have been to these many hill stations, especially me. These many hill stations, so many, blocked roads, so many dead points. Yet we never faced this. So the road was at 60-degree angle, or maybe 55. The road was not good. It was bad, worst. Okay, and our car just stopped there. Our car wasn't able to move forward. So there were people collected around us. They helped us out, but yet at the end of the day,
Ganesh Uncle was the one who saved us.
exactly, he only saved us. And now our car has heated up, and it's in a relaxing mode.
As a bhai ki karo jo.
So, and listen, people are all panicked. My father was driving the car. All of a sudden, my brother opened the door.
The moving car. He
Exactly,
opened
in the moving car, that too co-driver's seat. So now I have decided that I'm
But
not.
then I
going-
saved him.
Yeah, and he bit her back. So now we have decided that we aunties, I mean we girls,
women's.
we girls,
We women's.
girls. Bhai, I'm a woman, man.
The main.
We girls and these 2 kids will walk 400 meters to our resort. Never mind. That was plum seeds. That was plum seeds. It was wonderful to experience this, but
The road is really
heartbreaking. Before this, since 2014, I guess, or 2013, we had a car, Hyundai i10, Grand i10. We never experienced this kind of thing. These many hill stations, these many kilometers, these many distances. We never faced this. All of a sudden, with Karens, we end up in Kodaikanal. We end up in this big trouble. That Kodaikanal is
It was for a short while.
a short while, but it was good. It was unique to experience it. So we are gonna climb up this slope. This is kind of too slopey. Okay, so let's see what the resort holds for us. I hope it has good
My nail
ambience.
paints.
I hope it has good ambience.
चल भाई पिक्चर भाई जाएगा पिक्चर ही चल.
So look at this destination. It's so pretty. It's above my expectations. So it's in such a beautiful place. I know it's in a very offbeat place, but
The only bad thing is that she chose it.
You commit that. I mean, you committed, right? That it's good. You accept it.
Yes. Only bad thing is you.
I know that, but still, see,
And the
My-
only good thing is that I am here.
and the only bad thing is that Purvi is here.
Your
For me. This resort is so beautiful. This is not a resort. This is a villa.
This is our own house basically for now. For next 6 days.
So there are 6 rooms in here, and Purvi and I got a separate room. And
How big pant
I
protection?
know you all are
Hello?
very excited to see the rooms, to see what's inside there. I'm making a different video for that because it's gonna be pretty long.
Very long.
Yeah,
6
it's a
rooms.
huge property. So we'll show that in our next vlog. But for now, you can see we are all in a good mood. We all have refreshed ourselves by just looking at this.
After
You know,
the unique experience we had, this is the best of it.
after these unique experiences, we think it's worth it. So we don't have any regrets. And by the way, me and my mother chose this property, so we get special credits. Okay, guys. So this was the end of my my vlog. Maybe if not, we'll meet you in my room. Bye. So this was the end of this vlog. This vlog of day 2 of our trip, of our Christmas trip, and it was so good to have these many adventures on this day, from car to climbing the stairs of the villa. It was quite great, and now it's time for us to sleep and wake up in the morning and just check out the early morning view, which is exciting me from now itself. But I just need a cozy sleep for now.
We'll do it after we finish our reel. We're gonna do the reel and then we're gonna.
Yeah.
have
Oh, I
cozy
forgot. We're gonna make one.
sleep. That's what I'm putting my phone on.
We ate our dinner. Dinner was not. I won't say it was bad. It was not good either.
What?
Dinner.
Well, it was chicken, so I can't comment. Yeah, it was not what we expected, but then everything else was so good. Like I got the best pictures ever, and yeah. That's the thing.
Yeah, she has an Instagram account. I guess you should follow her. You know, I'm giving, what is that called? Sponsorship for you. I should get money for that, right, guys? Okay. So this was the end of this day. Enjoy your day ahead, guys. Bye.